What's going on, you guys? I just came from the store and I made a purchase. By the way, it's like 20 degrees outside. We're literally in the middle of like an Arctic blast in Texas. One of the purchases that I made, one of my first ones for the apartment, was my brand new Samsung Q70 television. I had to get the Q70 because I did a lot of research. And then, of course, I had to go and try to figure out how I could get the best bang for my buck. I actually caught a really good deal on it. Of course, I had to negotiate using my sales skills a little bit, but hey, we made it happen. I got the TV, boom.
Yes, sir.
The purchase I went and made today is just an addition to the TV. I'm so big on sound and entertainment. I love watching movies. I love playing my game and everything, and it just feels so theatrical. So, here's what I bought. The Sonos Beam. So of course, Sonos is going crazy right now in terms of the sound for the TVs, the soundbars and everything. So I did a ton of research, man. I watched so many YouTube videos. I probably watched like 10 to 15 YouTube videos just to make sure that everybody was being consistent with their reviews. And I was, gonna be getting the right product. So we got it. I'm about to go ahead and unbox it. And I'm gonna plug it up. I'm gonna do everything. I mount TVs, you guys, in case you didn't already know. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this thing directly under there. So here we go. So here we go. I've already got it kind of cracked out the package. I haven't started taking everything out just yet. So here we go. Of course, this is probably gonna be the power adapter. So I'll set that off to the side here. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm just doing all kind of stuff right now. And such. Ooh, there she goes. Let me lift it with my right hand since that's my strong arm. And voila.
Yeah.
I love this because, it's really nice and black. Of course, it's gonna match the TV really, really well. It's a nice size. It's got pretty good thickness. Real modern and sleek design, man. There's really not too much wrong. Too many ways they could have really went wrong with this. Only thing that I didn't really like, that I will zonk, is the fact that the mounting anchors is at the bottom. They got the 3 connections back here. They got the HDMI, the power, and then of course they have your Ethernet. It's gonna be nice. It fits the aesthetic. It's not too small. Of course, y'all will get a better view once I put it up. I'm finna go ahead and start mounting it now. All right, you guys, I got it all set up. Here's what we're looking like with it mounted. I know some of you guys are not gonna be the biggest fan of the cord cover, but I stay in an apartment complex and they didn't exactly want me to go inside the wall and put the cords behind the wall. So I just selected to go with that. It still looks great. I like the way the soundbar looks. It really looks like it's floating. Now, what I will say is that with the Sonos, what I've already learned within the past day, this thing plays music amazing. Like, it's so many ways you can control the EQ of the Sonos. So for some of you guys who would like a little bit more bass in the soundbar, you can turn the bass up, and honestly, you don't need too much sub. I mean, it sounds good. My apartment is 650 square feet, so I mean, it lights the entire apartment up. I don't even turn it all the way up because it's just so loud. So on the app, once you download the app, you can control the EQ. You can stream your music through Apple Music, Spotify, whatever service that you have. That's how you play the music. It's not Bluetooth. This is music, you guys.
We about to get it on. Take over control. It's just you and me. You know what I be on. I'm about to go wrong. Cause I like what I see. Look, baby, I see that you confront.
And this music is actually playing through the Sonos app right now. So I'm actually recording and playing the music through the Sonos app. Well, actually, let me clarify. I'm playing it through the Sonos app, but it's Apple Music. So that's how it's playing right now. So like I said, there's no Bluetooth, so you can play the music through there on your Apple Music or whatnot, and it syncs directly.
You got my heart beating so fast, the words I can't pronounce.
But let's go ahead and try with a TV show or a movie. Here we go. Right now I'm playing a movie on Netflix. This is Ghost Rider. So this is a really high action-packed area. So check this out. Yeah, so I'm not really sure how well you guys can hear that, but that's putting out a pretty big sound, man. And like I said, that's probably 50% up. So it goes way louder than that. And like I said, I have the EQ just barely with the bass above 50%, maybe at like 60%. And the treble is at like 65. So, I mean, there's a lot of headroom, a lot of space to kind of do a lot of different things with this thing. So if you're in the market for a soundbar or just something that just plays music great, that you can kind of link in a bunch of different things around your living area, I think this is a great area to start with. Sonos is obviously extremely popular right now. And this thing is great because obviously when you start to kind of build up your sound and entertainment system in your home, if you get more of these things, you can sync them all together. They can be playing music all around the house. It's just so many different ways you can go with it. So it's the reason that I chose the Sonos over like Bose and Samsung, because Samsung had a good option as well. It was a lot cheaper. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you later.